Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I am going to do my best to guide you as to how you can install PostgreSQL on a Mac. I haven't got a Mac to show you, but I will do my best to guide you as to how you can do this. The installation should be slightly different just because of the format. However, you'll be using the same graphical user tool that I used to show you the installation on a Windows-based computer. So we're going to start by going to the website. So the website is https://www.postgresql.org. So we're going to head over there to download the file. So this is the home page for the PostgreSQL. So if you click on this download tab here, you will have different options. So if you are on a Mac, you need to click on the Mac OS, click on that option. And then what you need to download the installer. You see this option here that says download the installer. This is what you need. So click on that and that will take you to the installer page. So where you've got select your version, you select the version of your Mac. For example, if the version of the PostgreSQL, so select the latest version, which is usually at the top. So select that one. And then for your operating system, click on the drop down arrow and select, there's only one option for Mac, just select Mac OS X. And then there's an option to download. So you can click on the download and that should download to your Mac folder or download that. I've just clicked on the download even though I'm not on a Mac, and this is the file. So it packages it as a DMG file, which is a disk image file. So to extract the installer, you basically simply have to mount the disk image and copy the installer to the desired location, or you can run it directly from the disk image. Please note that by default, Mac OS X ships with shared memory settings that might be too low for running the PostgreSQL. However, the installer will detect this and, if possible, reconfigure the shared memory and then may prompt you to reboot the system and rerun the installation. So if you get that happen, don't be surprised. So that's basically it. So just run this DMG file and just follow the screen instructions. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Any issues, please let me know. Bye for now.